Hi friends, welcome to another video of View's Playtime. Thank you for being here, and as you can see here, we have this mystery cup. We have some things inside that we can discover. Yes, and look who's here with us today. Do you know him? Yes, he's Mario from the Mario Brothers. Hey Mario! Hello! Thank you for being here. Okay, so we're going to start now. Put this Mario right there and start getting this open. I wonder what's inside. What do you think it's inside? You don't know either? We're going to discover this together. Look! This came off. It has some instructions. Wow. Alright. Let's just keep trying to get this open. This is getting open. Alright. There we go. So it's just cup. Has this lid and these shapes in here. Has this start, heart, and moon. Do you know how to say these words in Spanish? Estrella, corazón, luna. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh! Look! What is this? Oh, how you doing? Hello? I was inside that cup for so long. I was just getting so bored. Thank you for taking me out. Oh, wow, what is this? A unicorn? Yes, because it has this corn in here that looks like a unicorn. Okay, a unicorn in there. This fell down. What is this? I don't know what this is. We will find out. Okay? And look! It's like sand. That's what it was, sand. Okay, let's just open it here. Open it and put it inside the cup. Okay, the sand, and I think this is to cut the sand. Yes, it's to cut the sand. Wow, let's make some shapes. Okay, let's just start with the star. The star right there. Okay. See how it turns out. There we go. The star is right there. Can you see it? Yes. Cut right there. Wow. Look, guys. We got a little star. Do you see it? Yes, a little star. Let's do a heart now. Let's do a heart. Put the sand right there, and we're gonna do the moon too. We're gonna do the heart and the moon. Okay. Okay. Put right there. The moon. Okay. Look. We have the heart. Boom. And we also have the moon. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit. Clean it up with this pink sand. There's the Luna. There's the Luna. Luna, estrella, corazón. in Spanish. And what are we gonna do with this? It looks like if we feed him. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I'm going to eat all of this sand because this sand is so good. Nom 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 nom. I'm gonna eat sand and keep eating sand. Nom 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 nom. This sand is so good. This is only for the toy, guys, okay? You guys don't eat this sand. Keep eating the sand. Okay, no, I think I'll keep eating. No. Oh, look. He's pooping. He's pooping the sand. My gosh. Isn't that funny? Oh, look at that poop. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this toy. But you know what? What if we give him this food? We're gonna give him the estrella. Okay, the start is inside. No. Wow. That was a super nummy estrella. Now, we're gonna give him the moon. Let's give him the luna. Do you like the luna? I think the luna is good. Let me try it. Nom 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 nom. It's so good. I really like it. Now let's give him the heart. Corazón. Heart is a little big, so we're gonna much. Nom nom nom. Corazón. It's good. Good corazón. Wow. Holy guacamole! Look at that. My goodness. Ooh. Hey, you need to poop in the toilet. Yeah, you need to go potty in the toilet. Yeah, you don't poop just like that. You need to go to the toilet. Right, Mario? Yes, you need to go to the toilet. You don't poop outside like that. Was it good though? What do you eat? I ate the moon, I ate the heart, and I ate the star. Do you like it? Yes, I like it so much. Oh, that's wonderful. Are you still hungry? I don't think I'm hungry now, but it was really good. Awesome. Okay, that's good. See guys, look, all of this sand in here we have. Yes, so we can cut it too. Let's grab the sand now and let's see how many pieces we can cut. Okay, so we're just gonna roll it up. Roll it. Have you seen anybody rolling like this? Yeah, some people when they cook, they roll like this. They roll the dough. Yes. Okay, let's see how many pieces we can cut from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26 pieces. 26 pieces, you guys. Wow. I don't think I can eat all that. That's so much for me. But I will have a lot of food for the rest of the season. Yes. Wow. Okay, guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye-bye.